Hey folks, and welcome back to Your Reviews, your go-to destination for the latest in tech gear. Today we're diving into the exhilarating world of aerial photography and exploration as we unveil the top 5 best 4K drones you can get your hands on this year. From stunning camera capabilities to cutting-edge features, we've scored the market to bring you the ultimate drone lineup. But before we embark on this high-flying journey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button to stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and exciting tech updates. Now let's soar into the future of drone technology. Starting off at number 5, we have the TENSSENX GPS Drone, a remarkable quadcopter equipped with a 4K camera for adults. Picture this, a 4K ultra-clear camera boasting a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability, ensuring every shot is nothing short of perfection. What's truly impressive is the 5 GHz FPV transmission, delivering smooth and stable videos even in high speed or strong wind conditions. And fear not, thanks to GPS auto return, this drone will autonomously find its way back home when signals are lost or power is low, making it a worry-free flying companion. With a generous 52 minutes of flight time, altitude hold, optimal flow, and a foldable design weighing under 250 grams, this drone is both a powerhouse and a travel companion. Sliding in at number 4, we have the BEZGAR BD901, a compact drone with a formidable 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal. Elevating stability to new heights, this drone's electric image stabilization technology ensures your photos and videos are not just high resolution, but also crystal clear. Its 5G Wi-Fi transmission enables real-time, high-definition video streaming, pushing the boundaries of how far you can explore. Boasting a flight time of 25 minutes and a max speed of 25 miles per hour, this drone is not just about capturing moments, but doing so with style and speed. Accurate GPS positioning, auto-return, and a pocket-sized design make the BD901 a versatile companion for capturing life's adventures. Claiming the number 3 spot is the DJI Mini 2 Southeast, a lightweight and foldable marvel. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone requires no registration, making it the perfect companion for spontaneous adventures. Despite its small size, the Mini 2 Southeast packs a punch with HD video, a 10 kilometers video transmission range, and a commendable 31-minute flight time. Catering to beginners, it boasts simplified operations and features like return to home for added safety. The DJI Fly app simplifies complex shots, making even novices look like pros. With a 10 kilometers max transmission range and 38 kilometers per hour wind resistance, this drone ensures your aerial adventures are limitless. Soaring in at number 2, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a folding mini drone designed for adults. Weighing under 0.549 ohms, it skips the registration process, offering a hassle-free flying experience. The 4K HDR video camera captures stunning vertical videos at 60 fps, showcasing scenes with impressive clarity. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances safety, allowing you to fly confidently in any direction. With a flight time of 34 minutes, a 20 kilometers max video transmission distance, and active track 360 degrees for intelligent tracking, this drone ensures you capture every moment with precision and style. And now, claiming the throne at number 1, we present the Potensic 80 ohms Southeast GPS Drone. This lightweight wonder, weighing less than 249 grams, boasts a 4K EIS camera for breathtaking shots. With a flight time of 62 minutes and a 4 kilometers FPV transmission range, it's a drone that truly takes you places. The Searchly flight control system and 3 flight modes provide an exceptional flight control experience for beginners and advanced pilots alike. The 80 ohms Southeast compact design and powerful brushless motor make it both portable and resilient, ensuring a reliable flying experience even in challenging conditions.